What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I am going to paint these sneakers. These are done. This is what they look like. And I'm just going to take you through the process of what I did and how I painted these sneakers to look like this. These are for my niece. She's cool, she's trendy, and she specifically wanted her sneakers to look like this. So this is what I did. These are like the third or fourth pair of customs I've done so far, or third. I'm kind of like mid another two. You can see one of the other ones on my channel already. I will be doing a lot more sneakers. I'm now starting to get like requests. So if you have a specific request for like a custom sneaker that you want, I can pretty much do like a lot of different things. Like I can do basically anything you want. I mean, send me a picture and I'll tell you if I can do it or not. I love doing custom sneakers. Honestly, I love painting and I love sneakers. So I put these two things together and I just feel like I have found my calling. Like I was destined to paint custom sneakers. Like what? Who would have thought, right? So super excited about it. I will be walking you through or whatever. Let's just get into the video. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I super appreciate it. Again, I say this literally all the time. More videos will be coming out. I have to like get on it on this whole editing thing, but I'm working on it. Meanwhile, you can still subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram where I post a lot. And yeah, let's get into the video. So we have some Air Force Ones, whites, and these are for I just wanted to use all of the colors I used, and that's what I got. Yeah, these were fun. These took a long time. These were not easy, but it was fun. It's always fun. I love frickin' painting. I just said frickin'. I love painting sneakers, honestly. So, this is what they look like. Ah! These are not for sale. These are for my niece. I'm going to go give them to her in a hot minute, and hopefully she loves them. I mean, I think she's gonna like them. I've been showing like little sneak peeks on my story and she's been like, So I'm really excited. Also, if you guys want some customs, please feel free to send me a DM on Instagram, email me, comment down below, whichever form of social media you want to use to reach out to me, just go ahead and reach out and I would be happy to paint some custom sneakers for you. Again, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, turn the notifications on, do all those great things. Thanks for watching. Okay, till my next sneaker video.